Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first open the Play Store application to get the X icon changer app, and in the search we'll enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just click to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's watch the contacts one. We could rename it. Here we get library with different folders with the icons which we could use. Also, we could use photo from the device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Let's find one from the similar icons. Click to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip the videos and just tap to add. Shortcut to contacts added to our home screen. We could change next icon on to go to the desktop directly. Now here we got our new contacts icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.